Hello, guys. Welcome to another live New York session. Excuse me. It's August 28, 2024. And before we get started, let's check to see if we have any major news today. As we can see, we don't. So that's good. So we're going to clear from that. We won't be trading gold today. This is really my go-to. Been trading nice for the last couple of days, but I'm going back to gold. They're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy. So what we're going to do is we want to figure out what is the overall trend. And as we can see from pretty much from this last move here, price pretty much trending down and then had a blanket structure here. So we could say that price is overall bearish at this point. That's what it's looking like. So let's draw a trend line here. And then we're going to turn on the CC trend indicator. We see our trend lines are currently pushing up because we had a upward push to the upside until we have a lot of consolidation and then it pushed down. So I mean, we could say that price was overall bullish until this point, but then it started to go bearish. But I'm just going to stick to the fact right here in the bearish motion. So that's what we're going to stick with. Let's go to our smaller time frame now, which is the 15-minute. And we can see that price is currently still there, overall bearish as well. Because from this swing low to this swing high, price says continue to sell. Maybe had a break of structure from this previous swing low. Right. So we're just going to update our trend line down here. Either we'll waste this one, but we're not going to really need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the CC trend indicator just to confirm. If you have the gray lines are showing that it is pointing down. So then we're going to draw trading ranges so we can see that price started from this swing low, really from this swing high. I mean, it really started from this swing low here. So we'll start there. Then we had a break of structure right up in this area. So we'll just look at that. The price is in a bearish trading range. Now we're going to label this is our swing low. This is that break of structure. This is our swing high. Now we're going to take our Fibonacci. We're going to swing it from the most recent high to the most recent low. You can see that price rejected around 69 to 70% before it pushed down. So you could easily say that the pullback point is right around this area. We could make this our sell going. Then we'll be drawing here. So that kind of gives us an idea of what price more likely to probably clear back. And so now we can turn on the cheat code indicator and we can see that everything lines up with the top Bollinger Band, where the top Bollinger Band is. So this lets us know as how far price could clear back before it decides to shoot back. Then of course price already stepped out of here with a buy, so we can clear back all the way to the spot down there. We can do a continuation of those. So what we're going to do at this point is we are going to We're gonna wait for the 9:15 candle to close. Okay, which will close in about, let's see, less than 10 minutes. Then we're gonna start making our move. We're gonna start planning our moves. Figuring out what we're gonna do. But that when the query sets in at 9:30, we're gonna focus on price action and focus on the best sniper entry. So, see you guys in about a little bit over 9 minutes. Be right back. All right, so we got about 5 seconds until the 9:15 candle closes. But as you can see, price did a nice buy up. Now it's hitting the top range of that. So definitely looking for a short position at this point. I'm looking for it all the way down to here. So thanks. So got over 1,600 points. Send a line for it. Plus we're doing. On that officially been set. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until 8:29. Then once liquidity setting sets in, we're gonna focus on price action and see what price does. So we have about 12 minutes for that, maybe 11. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and took a sell at about $70 in profit now. Got a lot in my profits now. 7 days, where we go. We have money about $79. But that's still $70, which is what I was gonna do. There's a cheap post sale, so then I already just jumped in again. So what I'm gonna do is go to document the results and then share them with you. Be right back. All right, so the 9:30 cameras will close a couple minutes before look at that, share the results. Quick here. Now you can see $75 in the first partial trade, $4 in the second. You made about $79. So it looks like price is following movement. They let us be clean 9:37 again. It might be taking a drop now. It'll be a buy out of these bones of the It's the experiment. It's it's the experiment. There's a $19 profit. Like a close this now, 129. Right. This is why I like gold. Gold is consistent. Gold is very consistent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share those last week and I'm going to do something for you. That document the results. I'm going to say the results of the second trade I took. It was a pretty good bet. Look up the history. And you look up the history. So of course, like I mentioned before, there's $75 on the first partial trade, $4 on the second partial trade. And in the second trade I took, it really drops. And I made $129 on the first partial trade and $6 on the second. So really, if you add it up, you try to get my understanding of this stuff. Trending plus one. Over $200 there, plus 6. We made $313 total today. Like that. As we can see, we got some real good entries. We did our first trade on this entry. We like $2.5, but the second one we definitely made money because we was a turn out to be a confirmation sell product. Lets us know that the was out there. And it also lets us know that our market was correct because even though the bulge today was still priced stuff all the way out to there and gave us a very good reversal move, which pretty much down there. Market was correct, so we did good on the few more sector. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.